Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and are you shopping the Amazon Prime Day deals in Australia right now? Because if you are not, why not? And if you are not using ShopBack, then why not? Disclosure, this is not an ad. I am not paid. I'm not affiliated. I am not nothing. I'm just here to tell you very quickly what you should be doing to get those Amazon Prime Day deals and make your money work for you. Simples. Basically, what I have done is I'm going to put up a video. I'll put up a video as I talk through this. I used my ShopBack credit to get a $200 Amazon voucher. Went over to Amazon, redeemed that voucher, so I had $200 sitting there. Then what I did was I shopped. I went through, I looked at everything. I pretty much had an idea anyway. I had sort of lists and things like that already saved. I went through, I added everything to my cart and like even double ups of things. I just added everything that I wanted to my cart. Then what I did was moved everything from my cart into my saved list. So it just says move. Goes into your save list, then your cart basically says it's empty, right? Then you close out of Amazon. Close out. Go back to ShopBack, right? When you go back to ShopBack, go back and shop Amazon through ShopBack. That way, you earn a percentage back off your shop. Am I making sense? I really hope I'm making sense. Anyway, so that's how I was able to have the $200 there to redeem in a gift voucher, because this is what I do. This is how I shop when I remember. Anyway, so then I went back on Amazon, and because you've got to have an empty cart, by the way. So everything that you shop has to be an empty cart. Like that, you already have to have an empty cart. And this is why I love Amazon, because you can save it for later, which means it's so much easier to put back into your cart, right? It's a little hack. So then I went back into Amazon, went back to my saved for later list, and then I decided, like, okay, this is what I actually want. So I went through everything, decided on the exact items that I wanted and moved them to my cart, and then I checked out. And you'll see in the video that my total was about $407, which then came down to $200 because of my $200 voucher. Oh, and if you didn't notice, when I first chose my voucher on ShopBack, they had a deal going on, which was $5 off all your vouchers. So I only paid $195 for that voucher. So I saved an extra $5. You with me? So then on top of that, I will get a percentage back of that $400. Like it's a no-brainer. Anyway, Australian Amazon Prime Day is going from the 7th to the 13th of July. So you guys still got time. Today's the 8th. I'm going to get this video up today. And I do have a link that you can use for ShopBack. It's just a refer a friend link. I'll have the code as well. All that means is if you sign up to ShopBack using my link and my referral code, we both get $20. So, but you have to accumulate $20 in cash back by shopping through their website to be eligible to get that $20. Anyway, the T's and C's are all there. It's very simple, very easy. It costs you nothing to sign up. You don't even have to use my code. It's just a little, $20 each just to, kick us off. We got to love that. Anyway, that's it. You will see what I get for Prime Day. You'll probably get a quick little glimpse through my little video that I will have played whilst I'm chatting. And I'll do a little haul when it comes in. But apart from that, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. I am aiming for 500 subscribers. I am slowly getting there. Every time I pop up a video, I get a new subscriber. It has been awesome. Thank you very much for everyone who is subscribed to me, that does like my videos and that does comment. It means so much to me. I love it. It is one of the rare things in this world that are actually free, and I love to share the love. I always like to I like to do the same for other creators, especially more small creators. So yeah, please consider subscribing. I would love to get to 500. When I get to 500, I'm going to do a giveaway. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao, bye.